Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way.
Wow, welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is very interesting that yesterday we are going to see something that is very lovely, very nice, and something that you have been waiting to see and to learn. And before we go further, I just want to make this as a quick reminder. When it comes to spring twists, we have been getting people, like I've been getting comments. Most people ask, like, why do they, whenever they're plating their spring twist, it becomes so coily, like it looks like something that is coily, it's not straight. So in this video, just try to give me a time so that I teach you how to make your spring twist look long, like look so straight. And to most those ones who are using the soft kinky for the darling company, yes, if you have been there and you have ever tried to do the spring twist from the soft kinky and you see it coily, this is gonna be your video. Yes, let's try to be speedy here because we already know what we're supposed to do, though what I'm just going to explain a little bit is about the cornrow that we are supposed to be doing. But before we go for, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. And I'm reminding you that by next week, yes, by next week, we are going to start the online courses that are already set. I'm going to launch. Then I will be adding the link in the descriptions for you guys, those ones who are very far from me. You can click on that and then go learn online. Yes. Now, when it comes to spring twist, number one, those ones who do it individually, and the individually, that means you do it one by one, not on a crochet, not on the cornrow. Yes, there are those ones who do it that way. But since we're going to do it on this way of crocheting with the cornrow, crocheting it on the cornrow, these are things that you need to understand before doing it. I've been telling you most of the times that the crochet that you always do have to defer the cornrow that you're doing. You understand? Yes. If you know that you're going to do a small crochet, you're going to add the small twists, like maybe the small twist crochet extensions on the cornrow. If they're small, that means even the cornrows are supposed to be small. And now, when it comes to spring twist, I would say that most of the times it is medium. And now if it is medium, still your cornrow is also supposed to be medium. We have been seeing these incidents of people losing their hair because of crochet, and me, I believe it is just because of plaiting and profession. Yes, because I believe all hairstyles can always break hair if you play them badly. Because I still have, like, those people come, they say the wigs that are breaking their hair because of the bond. Others, they say that the braids, others the shoot pieces. So you find that most others, the dreadlocks, but we still have the people that seriously we have made these crochet, and you find their hair that are growing very healthy. So it is the same thing that I'm trying to advise you guys, that whenever you're doing this crochet, try to understand the type of a crochet extension you're doing should differ the cornrow that you're adding on. That is number one thing. So if you just know that, that is going to help your crochet always to last longer and even to keep the hair protected. You understand? Yes. So now, when it comes to the spring twist as the soft kinky, still this is something that you also need to understand. You don't need to overpack the spring twist. You don't need to make it too much, because see that when you make it too much, sometimes it's also going to make your hair it is going to make the head heavy, and even to make the cornrow to lose, because if it's too much on the cornrow, it will make it lose that tightness that you have done already. So now we are going to use the soft kinky, and this is how it looks like. It is long from Darling Company. This is how it looks. Yes, I just want to make it to emphasize this. Whenever you're buying the soft kinky, make sure that it is long soft kinky, and this is how the extension looks like. So number one, when you remove it, before doing anything, you just have to make sure that you make it clear with you remove the portion that you're going to do. So after removing it, you just try to make sure that you crochet it this way. We don't crochet like we just pass through that way, you understand? And then after, you start doing the twisting. So here is the problem that people they have been doing it wrongly, and this is what I'm trying to correct. Yes, whenever you're doing these twists, the spring twists, don't try to make your hands very like, don't tighten the spring, don't tighten the twist, just do it the way it's supposed to, because you have seen that it has got the curls. So those curls that have to be in the way it is, like it's supposed to follow each other, because if one curl skip another, that means it's not going to look neat. So the only thing you just have to do, try to be gentle, make sure that it is really it's on the same level as you're twisting, and then you twist when it is your hands are soft. You don't need to make it too tight. So you can see the way I'm plating is not the same way these other people plates, but still, as long as you do it slowly. I'm doing it because for me, I'm left-hand sided, so I believe that those ones who are left-hand sided, their twist is also going to look like mine. And those ones who are not, just try to do it the way you're supposed to do, but as long as you're not tightening the braid, so the twist. So that is the only magic that is doing the spring twist, and comes out very straight like this. So I hope you get it, and if you don't understand anything else, please, you can always go right in the comment section, tell me what you feel about the hairstyle. And another thing, guys, it is really, really nice for me whenever you leave for me a like. So please don't just go like that without leaving me a like. And still, you just have to make sure that you tell me where you're watching me from. Yes, I'm always there to reply you, yes, so that we can talk to each other. I love that. So please just go right in the comment section, tell me where you're watching me from, and if you still have any question, you can still ask. I'll be there to answer you. And please don't forget to give me a like. Yes, my name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z, and we are located in Ntinda Ministers Village, and that is Kampala City. Still, we have a branch in Mbarara City, that is in Kamkuzi behind BAM petrol station. So that's where you can always come and get our services. Yeah, still, as I can remind you that our online courses, by next week we have to launch it, yes, for you guys to start learning online. For now, we have to first with the cornrows, we have the dreadlocks, we have to learn how to do these soft kinky braiding, the methods that we always use so that they last longer, and to be protective. So it is a lot that you have to learn by next week. So please do for me, give me a like on this video, and please, if possible, you can share the video, and still you can go in the comment section, you tell me where you're watching me from. These were the spring twists from the soft kinky hair extension of Darling Company, Darling Uganda. Yes, I'm gonna be signing out. My God bless you a lot. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking. Yeah. Wayingi te wongo yaka. Morris, the cricket master, did a make on you. Yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris, the cricket master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good. Nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a cricket master, yeah, yeah. A touch of a cricket master, Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a cricket master, Morris, your cricket master, Morris, your cricket master, no, no, no. Touch of a cricket master, he's so good. Tolina chongamba.
Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wa pulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, he might run them. Ujemviri bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around, they buy clippers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Tolina chongamba. Clippers fire.